Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl TBJ, and I wanted to come on real brief to basically do a demonstration. We had a request from one of our Elite Essential members to do a, I guess you could say, a lash tutorial slash video, which I'm laughing because y'all, I've never done a lash tutorial. I can barely put them on myself. So I'm going to try to do this lash tutorial. It's the first time I've ever done one. I will probably try to do one on camera, and the other one I probably will do off camera. So I'm letting you know that's about as good as I can get for right now. So this will be the first time that I try this out. So try not to hate too much on me, okay? But I wanted to come on briefly and show you a couple of the lashes that we do carry. And if you're wondering where I am, right now I'm in my bathroom, because this has the best lighting and it has the big enough mirror where I can see what I'm doing. So if I'm not looking directly at the camera, it's because I'm probably looking at the mirror that is behind me. And I have a side mirror also, so I'm probably looking at either one of those. So don't hate me. All right, so let's get started with the video. I'm gonna show you a couple of the lashes that we carry. These are our thin line lashes. If I'm not mistaken, these are our 3D mink lashes. And these are, I think, a thin line. This is Lily. And she's very full. And now, mind you, these are not our 25 MMs. So these are not 25 MMs. These are, I have, I think, one pair of our 25 MMs because they're very, let's say, they're very full and fluffy. So I'm not used to wearing them like that. So therefore, it's a little hard for me to wear them. But I do have a pair. I've never worn them yet. But I do have a pair that that I got from a vendor, and I'm going to eventually wear them. I just gotta get used to it because they're over the top. And I'm not used to that. I'm used to more natural looking lashes, and that's what I prefer. Like this is my favorite pair. The pair that I'm going to show you next, this is called Dahlia, and this is my favorite pair. I will wear it, like, if I'm thinking of like going out on a date night with my husband, or trying to be glamorous, or like just trying to be cute, feeling myself, you know. This is the pair I usually go for, Dahlia, and this is my favorite pair. I get these over and over and over again because I love them so much, because they give you just enough glamour where if you want to have a girls' night out, or a quick night out with the girls, or with your guy friends, or your boyfriend, husband, lover, your significant other, whatever, these are great for that. But if you want to wear them to work, you can wear them to work. They're not so over the top that you can't wear them to work, and you can go from work straight into date night or an evening out. That's why I like them, because they're glamorous but not over the top glamour. And I like that. The next pair is called Rose. And this is a little bit fuller than Dahlia and Lily, because this is what Lily looks like. And this is what Rose, so you can tell Rose is a little bit more full than Lily, but it's still a nice one. I think I've worn these once. Yeah. I've worn these once, and I like them. I just have to get used to them because, like I said, I'm not used to very full lashes like that. I think Dahlia was the very first pair that I got, and they were very full. And it took me a minute to get used to them, but once I got used to them, I loved them. The next pair that I have is called, I think this is Berlin. Yeah, these are Berlin, and I like these, and I really love these because these look so natural on, and they're so cute. So this is Berlin. They're very natural, and this is called New York. And this one's just a little bit thicker than Berlin, but on they look very natural. So I'm probably going to put on Berlin for you tonight to show you how it is, since these are my everyday wear lashes. I love wearing these every day. I can wear these to work and whenever because they don't look over the top. So I'll probably do Berlin tonight, but these are really nice. And then the next pair, which is our 25 mm lashes. This is our 25 mm lashes, and this one is in the month of July. Our 25 mm lashes are in the months. It's easier for me to keep up with. And this is for my birth month, which is July. And this is what this style looks like, which I like. I mean, I don't know. I have some other ones too. I don't have them with me. They're on the way. But this is just July. Then there's certain ones. I only have, I think, 6 Lash style 25mm lashes. And they're for the month of family members. Like one is for February, one is for October, then there's November, January, and then I just got one for December. Nobody that is closely related to me in my immediate family is born in December, but I like the way the lash looks, so I just picked it. I picked it, but I have one for, let's see, I have one January, February, May, October, November, and July, and that's the 6th. I may get a 7th one for another family member. I may not, but those are some of the lashes that we do offer and carry. That's not all of them. We have five styles in the thin line, and 6,000 of the mink lashes, and 6,000 the 3D mink lashes. So the thin lines, we're working on finding another pair that we like, that we want to offer. So, and then we have 6 in the 25mm. But those are some of the lashes we do offer. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how I apply lashes. Hopefully this does not become a big fail. So give me 1 second to set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, first things first, I'm going to zoom y'all in a little bit. So hopefully y'all can see. So now, don't be frightened. So now what I usually do, let me see if I'm in frame, is I usually get my lashes off the tray. I've already kind of worked on pulling them off the tray already, as you can see. And I have 2 sets of tweezers. I have my standard tweezers, which is, these are the pointy ones, but they're not like super duper pointy, like, you know, the kind that are pencil. And then I have these, which I really don't use these that much, especially when it comes to putting on my lashes, because they're so pointy. I don't want that close to my eyes. These have a point to them, but the point is not super duper sharp at all. And then I have my other set of tweezers, which is this pair. Now, we carry this style tweezer on our site. However, it is not in this color. It's in more like a brown tortoiseshell color, like a brown color, brown and black. We're right now carry just the brown. The black we're out of stock. So, but I think I'm just going to change it to just the black. But right now we carry this style in the brown on our website. So what I do, I use these after I get them on. But I use these to get them, to put them on. Now, we do not have our own lash glue. I'm searching for a vendor at the moment for our lash glue. But currently, I use the Duo lash glue, and it's a brush-on lash glue. I picked this up from Ulta, not Sephora. I picked this up from Ulta. And it's in the color black. It's a tiny little brush. And what I do is I get my lashes off the tray. Let me see if I can do this correctly, guys. And I basically hold it in the center. Pretty much like that. And as you can see, I've worn these before, and I take my lash glue and I wipe off the excess, and I gently just kind of rub it on there. And I try to put a little extra on the corners, because that's what unsticks the most. And I just kind of gently go over it, because it doesn't dry super fast, y'all, but it does dry. It does dry quickly, but not super duper quickly. Now, once I do that, put everything off to the side. I kind of wave it. I try not to blow on my lashes because I know it's my breath and stuff, and they're going on my eyes. But I still try not to blow on my lashes regardless. So I'll just wave them back and forth until they get slightly tacky. And then once I feel like they're tacky, it takes about a couple of minutes for it to do that. And I'll wave it back and forth for a little bit. Every now and again I'll blow on them, but I try not to. So I'll wait till it gets a little bit tacky. And this is what I do. This is what helps me. You'll hear some noise in the background. Is a mirror. It's one of those 10 times that zooms in on you, and I have it. And what I do is I angle it. I know some people put their mirror down and they look down at it, but I have to hold mine up and look kind of down at it. But it zooms in really, really close, so I'm able to put the lash on. So I'm gonna try to stay in frame while I do this. And I'm sorry if you can't see. So I close my eye. I angle my head down. I try to get it as close as possible to my eyelash, to my lash line. And as you can see, I'm struggling. But I almost got it. Now, once I get it on, I take the other pair and I pinch them down into my real lashes. And there you have it. Now my eyes are a little irritated because it took me a couple of seconds to get it on. But that's how it looks. Now, can you tell the difference? Let me put my hand over my eye. Let me see if I can zoom it in. And that's lash on, lash off. See the difference? And there you have it. Now, hopefully y'all saw what I did, because I'm gonna put the other one on off camera. But this is this one is Berlin, and this is what it looks like on. See, it gives you enough lash where you have a lash on and you look like you have lash, but not so much over the top where you're like, wow, you can really see. All right, and this is what it looks like with both of them on, the finished look. And if you're wondering what I have on my lips, it's a new color that we're coming out with. We have the name, but I'm tweaking it still a little bit. But it's a new color that we're coming out with. I'm not going to announce it just yet, but it is. I'm working on it, and I think you're going to like it. So, but it feels really good on. So if you like it, comment down below that you want to know what the color is. But these lashes are Berlin, and this is what they look like on. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully you have better luck and easier time putting on your lashes than I like this tutorial. Hopefully you like our lashes. They are on our website. Go check them out at www.decent.com, and that's spelled DSCENTE.com. And we are Decent Essentials. I'm TBJ. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know when we post videos on our website. Make sure you go like our social media pages, Instagram, because I'm a little more active on Instagram than I am on all our other social media pages. And we also have a Facebook page, so make sure you go ahead and like that also. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye.